mapagpalang araw sa inyong lahat. Welcome back sa ating munting channel, Cool Lolo, Cool Tips and Talks. October 4, 2024, Friday Racing. Umpisa ng karera alas 5 ng hapon. 7 races. Yung race 2 at 4 ay 1,200 meter run. At yung race 1, 3, 5, 6 at 7 ay may regular distance na 1,400 meter. Race number 1, first choice number 3, Abalone Bandit. Second choice, Coupledon 3, 5 and 5A, Instant Notice. Go on Eugene. Siyempre ang principal dito ay yung Instant Notice. Race 2, first choice number 1, Rule the World. Second choice number 7, Animo Lasal. Race 3, first choice kabayo ni Sir JC, laging labas. Number 2, Bonnie Avenue. Second choice number 5, Axis Deviation. Race 4, kabayo uli ni Sir JC, palaban palagi. Number 3, Doña Chichay. Second choice number 2, Anli Byrne. Race 5, first choice Coupledon 3, Charm Campaign, 3A Sister Moon. Second choice number 7, Bell Tuna. Race 6, race na may pentapekta. First choice number 4, Best Shot. Second choice number 9, Gianchi. Last race, race 7, race na may Super 6. First choice number 6, Bad Boy MJ. Second choice number 2, Static. Third choice number 4, BG. God bless to all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. At pakikalagit na rin ang notification bell para maging updated sa lahat ng video. Hinay-hinay lang po sa pagtaya. Sana tumama tayo. Thank you!